Yeah, man, come here in Jamaica youth. I want to know. Jamaica youth, I want to know. Uno sell out Jamaica. Uno bomb class sell out Jamaica. Uno turn Jamaica in a cemetery. Uno turn Jamaica in a dead man country. A dead man town. I want to know bomb class Jamaica youth. You don't have to kill a man, you don't have to shoot a man, say you're a bad man, brother. You don't have to go take a nice man life, say you're a bad man, brother. Pussy, cause I don't know Jamaica youth. Now for you go on mad, you go on insane, you mad out in Jamaica youth. You make Jamaica get out and bomb clot. You mash so much blood shed in the country, I don't know. I don't know. Jamaica with a billions of country I look up to. See what going in Jamaica. Every day a next man, a man a die from out a gunshot. I don't know Jamaican youth. I don't know. Now people don't know Jamaica for its music or content. People know Jamaica because so much badness and so much gunman in Jamaica. I turn Jamaica in a dead man, turn a cemetery. Pussy, I don't know. You don't lose it, you don't sell up Jamaica. You know, sell up Jamaica. Peter talk about it, and Bunny Wailer talk about it, Culture talk about it. So we want peace and love and unity in the dancehall. Peace, love, unity in the dancehall. I want so much bloodshed in the dancehall. Dancehall badness and lyrically badness and musically badness. Dancehall badness and me say if you go take a gun and go and shut after your brother, man. Pussy clot. You don't love one another. I want to one love. I want to unity. I want to togetherness to Jamaica. Somebody have to stand up for Jamaica, because Jamaica mashed down. Jamaica turn a dead man town now. No surviving in Jamaica. Too much gunman in Jamaica. Everyday flicker boss Jamaica. Thousands of youth will die with a gunshot Jamaica. Pussy club, but you can't fight, you economy, you can't fight the white people and free the land, you shoot after you black brother. Pussy, I don't know, you mad out Jamaica youth. You mad out Jamaica youth, you sick and you head Jamaica youth. You shit pon glass Jamaica youth, you shit in a pre Jamaica youth. I don't know, go and fuckery, you sell out Jamaica. You sell out Jamaica, these no what pussy clot. You sell out Jamaica, my youth. You mash down Jamaica.